Hey guys, this is another video by One Hit Wonder, and today I am doing the sound effect challenge. Yay! So I am not going to be by myself. I'm going to be joined by Ms. DIY Fashion Queen, who is my... We should applause her. She's hilarious, right? Everybody knows she's hilarious. Everybody just love her. Fun. So this whole challenge is it's not a challenge, it's a sound effect kind of game thing. Where you move and you make and then sound effects.
So we should just get started.
Yeah.
Let us get started.
We have started. Sound effect challenge. So now let's watch my sister try to make a victory. Like when you win something, you're just like, awesome. I'm so awesome.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, try to make it. Okay.
I don't know how it goes.
Now we're going to see me try to make my victory noise. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. I think I totally won that challenge. Please comment down below who won.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Really thank you. Let's please comment down below what you would like me to do, because I have no idea. See, questioning. Don't know. Don't know. So if you could just send things that you would like me to do, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. I can't believe I have to go. One more. That was from me. And hold on. Let it go. I'm gonna miss you guys, but